This is with the FEMTO unlock ECU, boot mod 3 and also EM custom tuning. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today here with me, we'll be talking about modifications on this Supra GR, and this is a special edition 35th anniversary. So later I'll go through all the modifications that we have done on this car. It's a basic stage 2 tuning. Also, if you haven't seen our previous video, we did a Cayenne stage 2 as well with our partner here, EM Tune, so you can check out our video. Meanwhile, this car is ready now, so we'll take it to a dyno tune and do more video shoots over there. Okay, so this Supra is a 3.0. It has the B58 engine, and actually this car was fitted with a catted downpipe with full titanium catback system done by Veleno Performance, and it was running on stock. So we also did a dyno. For a full exhaust system, and this is the result here. It actually has already gotten some performance gain just by putting on a full exhaust system. So today customers has came back to us. He requested for a decat downpipe and also some cooling system upgrade by Kate Cool. And then now it has gotten a FEMTO, because this car is ECU is actually locked. So first we have to send it to FEMTO to do an unlock. That takes about 2 weeks time to send the ECU overseas and coming back. Then we has gotten a boot mod 3 and also a custom tune by EM Tune Motorsport. And now after all these modifications, we're finally taking this car again to do a dyno run to see the final results.
What the dog doing?
Whoa! Is that a Supra?
Okay guys, now we just arrived at the dyno shop. So let me hand over the cars to the guys and get it strapped on. Okay guys, so now we just done the dyno tune, and let me show you here on the graph. So a stock Supra is about 371 on-wheel horsepower, and then the second one was where we came first time before all the ECU tuning, but it was with a catted downpipe and also a full catback system, which already given about 22 on-wheel horsepower. So the third line on the green graph, you can see here, this is with the FEMTO unlock ECU, boot mod 3 and also EM custom tuning. Okay, so you can see there's a big difference between horsepower from 371 purely stock to now at 429, and for the torque is almost 100 Newton meter torque increase from 541 to now 635 Newton torque meter. Okay, so that's it for today's video. We have shown you this Supra 3.0's journey from a stock car to a stage 2 performance tune. and I believe this customer will have more modifications to do with us. So stay tuned until our next video.